We as VNCT have 100 years of business legacy and trust, where we stand for trust and reliability. So when we choose our partners, it's very important we do our due diligence and we choose the right partners who will stand with the same ethos and ethics. We are associated with Propsy Homes close to 2 years now, and I came to know of Propsy through an industry friend of mine. They gave a very good reference. So that way, Propsy once qualified in our due diligence, and then I met their founder, Mr. Bharat Reddy, where I was very convinced that we are partnering with the right rental partners. Thereby, VNCT titled with Propsy Homes as our strong rental partners. Propsy adds a lot of confidence to my home buyers and investors. They stand for transparency and deliverables. They keep up with their commitments. And we as clients, we feel we have given the right people as rental partners, and we are giving the right link to our clients to work with future for their homes. So in that regard, Propsy in turn gives peace of mind to our clients by offering timely services and reliable services. They treat our clients' home as their own and take the right decisions and be the bridge between the tenant and the client and help them make the right decisions. All this is very important for an investor or a home buyer, and this adds great confidence in the mind of our clients through the seamless service. So that is what, according to me, Propsy stands for. Seamless service and our most credible rental partner for VNCT. We mostly cater to NRI market, and for us, rental support is a very important service to be given, which we've always been giving. And now we tell our clients that we have tied up with Propsy Homes and that they will be taking care of their rental support and their maintenance henceforth. Since we have tied up with a reliable partner like Propsy Homes, who stands up to deliver as per the commitment, this adds great confidence and peace of mind to all our clients. First, I see a great future for Propsy Homes through these services because these are much needed services in the market today. You need a reliable partner to take care of your investments and home in terms of rental, in terms of maintenance, and you need a long-term partner. So in all that, I feel Propsy Homes really fits the bill. And they have a fabulous future ahead of them, rendering these services to the clients in the same way which they are doing now. They are also enabling the same services through a newly launched app, which is going to tie up the tenants and the owners together and render them the same seamless service. I wish them all the best. I am very confident that they will be able to service innumerable clients in the years to come.